Look at Monica. Look at her marks. But I am not Monica. I am Devika. And every time I hear you saying, look at Monica, I get the message that I am not good enough. Constant comparisons. Children compare each other, wo chalta rehta hai, that's okay. But the minute it becomes a parenting tool, it's dangerous because it moves from growth and progress to rankings and positions. Psychologists call this the social comparison theory. Chalta hi rehta hai. From pregnancy, they'll say, aapke shape, pet ka shape hi hai, you'll get a girl or a boy. And after the baby is born, oh, yours is 3 kg. That one is 3.5 kg. And at what stage are the children going to crawl, which month, etc. At what stage will they walk? It's constantly being compared. My own 2 daughters were crawling backwards, reverse mein, bade cute. And this goes on into adulthood. What happens, that if children grow up with constant comparison, they learn to focus on position and never on growth. You've heard that story. 2 children were participating in a race. Pehla bachcha daud jata hai, and at the finishing line, this child says, I bettered my previous timing by 10 seconds. The second child reaches the finishing race and says, I beat Vijay. I beat Vijay. The first child grows up to become an adult who's focused on progress and growth. The second child grows up to be somebody who's only focused on मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, मैं किससे आगे हूँ. Zara increment मिली, he'll go on LinkedIn and say, did I get more than somebody else? Otherwise, change the job. So people who are constantly comparing are never happy with their own success. They measure success with position and not with growth. Even if they are successful, they'll say, मैं किससे आगे हूँ. The trouble is, somebody will always be ahead of you in life. And therefore, comparison is not the way to encourage growth in children. Carol Dweck says the same thing. Focus on the effort and not on the product. The best way to compare is, for the parents to tell the child, how has that child done better than the previous version of herself, of him or himself? वो सबसे बढ़िया है. Not comparing and competing with someone else. That is the way to inculcate growth and progress and not stunt it. Comparison will stunt it.